In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for lead generation fast and easy. If you're aiming to harness Pinterest's unique potential for driving traffic and generating leads, you've definitely come to the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can effectively leverage Pinterest to grow your audience and boost your business results in no time. First, head over to your preferred web browser and search for Pinterest. Click on the first link that appears in the search results to access Pinterest's homepage. Once there, make sure you log in to your business account or create one if you haven't done so already. This is crucial, as a business account unlocks powerful analytics and advertising tools that can significantly enhance your lead generation efforts. Now let's focus on optimizing your profile for conversions. It's important to add a clear value statement and a call to action in your profile bio. Think about what makes your business unique or how you help your audience. This might look like helping coaches grow online. Grab your free toolkit. Your bio is one of your first impressions, so you want to make it count. Next, create boards that address the specific problems your customers face. Imagine you're selling marketing services. In this case, you might build boards around topics like social media tips, SEO hacks, or email growth strategies. These boards should not only provide value, but should also include keywords in their titles and descriptions to improve their visibility in searches. The more relevant keywords you use, the easier potential leads can find you. To really stand out, design click-worthy pins. Utilize strong text overlays such as free checklist or step-by-step guide to grab attention instantly. Adding your logo or brand colors to each pin can also help build trust and recognition. Remember, your pins should always link directly to landing pages, freebies, webinars, or other opt-in opportunities to seamlessly convert interest into leads. Another crucial strategy is leveraging Pinterest SEO. Use appropriate keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and even alt text. Think like your audience here. They are searching for solutions, so consider their language and how they might phrase their queries. Adding a few relevant hashtags can also further boost your reach. While Pinterest ads are optional, they can be incredibly powerful for promoting lead magnet pins with a low budget. By targeting specific keywords, interests, and demographics, you can quickly grow your email list and reach new audiences who are interested in what you have to offer. Finally, it's essential to track and improve your performance regularly. Utilize Pinterest Analytics in combination with Google Analytics to see which pins are converting the best. Focus your efforts on those high-performing pins and continually refresh older ones with updated graphics to sustain traffic. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to effectively using Pinterest as a lead generation powerhouse. So go ahead, get started, and watch your Pinterest strategy drive significant results for your business. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.